The MT-03 is a naked bike, and the R3 is a traditional sport bike. We're going to take them on the road, take them in the turns. We're going to decide which one we like better and talk a little bit about them. Thank you guys for tuning in, and let's get to it.
The Yamaha MT-03 is a 321cc street bike. It's the entry-level model in Yamaha's Hyper Naked lineup. The MT makes 42 horsepower with a 6-speed transmission, 62 miles per gallon, and comes with disc brakes, adjustable suspension, and LED lighting. With a base MSRP of $47.99, the Yamaha MT-03 has not only made this bike easy to ride, but easy to afford on just about any budget.
Alright, so here we go. We're going to take the MT-03 out for a little spin. It's actually one of the more comfortable bikes that you can ride, I think, in this size. First gear is kind of a granny gear. You could probably start this bike in second. Yeah, everything is really easy to read. The digital display is nice, and the mile per hour is pretty big, which is important because this bike is more set up for beginning riders. And if you are a beginner, this is probably my favorite. Yeah, see right there, I did not get to second because the foot pegs are just back a little bit. You've got to sit back on this bike in order to really access the foot pegs easily. So pretty smooth shifting on the way up. I noticed that the RPMs are high on this bike, much higher. It's like 13,000 red line, whereas the R7 is only 10,000. So I'm in 6th gear, and I gotta get in the left lane, but if we really get on it, it's really windy today, so it's difficult, but I am able to get the bike up to speed. Obviously, with the wind's kind of knocking me around a little bit more than my sport bike would in this situation. Definitely a different riding position to take these turns. I find a little bit of counter steering helps on this bike to really get the bike to lean over if you really want to be a little bit more aggressive. But it doesn't take much, actually. The bike is super light, so just a little bit of body weight, getting your body turned in the right direction will really get this bike to do what you want it to do. So it's pretty fun on these twisties without really, having to be in that sport position. Hot into that corner. So I find that around town I'm living in 3rd and 4th gear just comfortably, but easy to maneuver, easy visibility if I'm trying to avoid someone is questionable. I do have some low end power to kind of get up and get out of the way, just like that right there. So I think that in general, if you're after a comfortable entry level bike that is going to be good at highway speeds and also good around town, and also can take on the twisty roads a little bit, this would be a perfect bike for you. So yeah, MT-03, that was good. Now it's time to go in and try the R3, and I'm going to compare the two out. But I hope everybody has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. All right, peace out from Dual Sport.